Hi friends, I am Raze Alam and today we are gonna discuss about exercise number 4.1 quadratic equations. Okay, so first question is asking check whether the followings are quadratic equations or not. We know the formula of quadratic equations. First, the standard since a standard form of A standard form of quadratic equations is ax square plus bx plus c, where a is not equal to 0. This is the standard form of quadratic equations. We need to find out, we need to solve all the questions in simple way, and we will compare with this standard form. If it will compare correct, then the given question will be quadratic equation. First we need to simplify it, nothing else but we need to simplify. Then solution, how to deal with. First open the bracket. So here a plus b to the whole square, and what is the formula of a plus b to the whole square? It is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now is equal to, and open the bracket, 2 will be multiplied with these two numbers. 2 into x is 2x, and minus 2 into 3 will be 6. Simplify, x square will be added with x square, but there is no any other x square apart from this, so x square is single here. Same, write it, x square plus 2x into 1 will be 2x plus 1 square will be 1 is equal to 2x minus 6. Here is the important key we need to understand. Suppose this is the border line, and this is left hand side, this is left hand side, and this is right hand side, and this is border line. Equal to means border. This is Pakistani and this is Hindustani. If Pakistani cross this border line to come into India, then sign will be same, means 2x will minus, plus will minus, minus will plus, multiplication will division, and division will multiplication simply. Now x square plus 2x plus 1, there is no any change, and in right hand side 2x will be minus 2x if it cross the border line, and minus 6 will plus 6 here. And solve simply, x square is same, x square 2x will add with 2x, will be cancel out because 2x and 2x, plus 1 and plus 6 will be plus 7, because this is the constant will be adding together here. Now we can compare, since ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 with x square plus 7 is equal to 0, we can say that if we formulate it in further, we can write it down, x square plus 0x plus 7. Okay, 7 will be c, 0x will be bx, and x square will be ax square, means it satisfies the ax standard form, ax square plus bx plus c. Hence equation is quadratic equation. Simply. Now moving to the next question. Yes, second question number is this. Simplify it same as previous one. X square minus 2x, there is no any change in left hand side, and minus 2 will be multiplied with these two terms, minus 2 into 3 minus 6, and minus minus plus, minus 2 minus x will be plus 2x. Now cross the border line, x square minus 2x, then minus 6 will become plus 6, and plus 2x will become minus 2x is equal to 0. Hence x square is simple, is alone here, so same, minus 2x is minus 4x and plus 6. Now the maximum power of x is 2, so we can say that given equation is quadratic equation. Or if you if you want to write it down, so we can write like that: ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Hence given equation is quadratic. Quadratic means yes. Again, next question is, here is the question number third of first. So simplify first, open the bracket, it is the multiply. So x multiply with these two terms, so 2x into x means x square, not 2, and x into 1 plus x minus 2x minus 2 is equal to x square plus 3x and minus x and minus 3. Simplify it, x square is alone, so x square, and x will add with x term, so x minus 2x will be minus x and minus 2. Here x square plus 3 minus 1 plus 2x and minus 3, write it down. Now cross the border line and all the term will come in the left hand side, so x square minus x minus 2 and minus x square minus 2x plus 3. Here x square plus and x square minus will be cancelled out, and x will be added with minus 2x, so minus x minus 2x, what will be the answer? Minus 3x minus 2 and plus 3, it will be plus 1 is equal to 0. So here the power of x is not 2, so this is not quadratic equation. We can simply compare it, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We can write it down, the given equation is not in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, hence it is not quadratic equation. No, simply. Again, question number 4. Here is the question number 4. Solve it and find it out. X multiply by these two terms means, if multiply by 2x, it will become 2x power 1 will be added 1 1 2, again with 1 that becomes x, and with minus 3 with these two terms minus 6x and minus 3 with multiply by 1, what will be the answer? Minus 3. Same like here, x square plus 5x. Now solve it, 2x square is alone here, so write it, and minus 5x minus 3 x square, if it cross the border it will minus, okay, and 2x square will be adding with same x square, here is 1x square, so 2 minus 1 is 1x square, minus 5x minus 10x, because minus minus will be adding and minus sign will be applied in the mathematical term. Now what is the remaining term here? Minus 3. It is like this will become x square, and minus 5x minus 10x minus 3, now 0. If we compare it with ax square plus bx plus c, then it satisfies is it, so we can say that the given equation is quadratic equation. Same. Now moving to the next question, number 5. Question number 5 is asking 2x minus 1 into x minus 3 is equal to x plus 5 into x minus 1. what will be the resultant after simplifying it? 2x multiplied by x will become 2x square. 2x multiplied by minus 3 will become minus 6x. Minus 1 will multiply with 1, so minus x. Minus 1 will multiply minus 3 will become plus 3, because minus minus plus in multiplication and division only. So now in right hand side, x multiplied by x with x, so answer will be x square minus x plus 5x minus 5. Simplify it, 2x square is alone here in left hand side only. Minus 6x minus 6x minus 7x plus 3 is equal to x square minus x plus 5x will become plus 4x, and minus 5 is alone. Now cross the border line, 2x square minus 7x plus 3 minus x square minus 4x plus 5 is equal to 0. 2x square minus x square will become x square minus 7x minus 4x will become minus 11x plus 3 and plus 5 will become plus 8 is equal to 0. Hence we can say that yes, because power of x is 2. If you compare, it satisfies. Okay, moving to the next question, question number 6. X square plus 3x plus 1. X square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 to the whole square. Now left hand side there is no any calculation, write it simply as given here and open the bracket by applying a minus b to the whole square. So a square minus 2ab minus b square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, this is the formula and there is no any change here. Here is x square minus 4x. Okay, 2 and 2 square will become 4, because 2 multiplied by 2 will give 4. Here cross the border line, x square plus 3x plus 1 minus x square plus 4x minus 4 will become 0. So x square here is plus, here is minus, will be cancel out. 3x and 4x will become 7x plus 1 minus 4 will become minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, this here is not power 2, so this is not quadratic equation. Means simply this is not quadratic equation. Why? Because this is not in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, or simply we can write it down, power is not the power of x, the power of x is not 2, is not to maximum power. Maximum power means if power 3 also the equation will not quadratic equation, only power should be 2, then it will become quadratic equation, otherwise not. So we can write it down like the maximum power of x is not 2 here, so not, so no, like that. Any of one of these can be written. And question number 7, what is asking in question number 7? Question number 7 is telling us x plus 2 to the whole cube is equal to 2x into x square minus 1. Open the bracket by applying a plus b to the whole cube. What is the formula of a plus b to the whole cube? First we need to write it down so that we can understand easily. A plus b to the whole cube is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Applying in left hand side, so we will get the resultant a cube plus b cube plus, sorry, a cube plus 3a square b. First a cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square plus bq. B here is 2bq, and in right hand side multiply 2x with x square. What will be the resultant? Power will be added, 2 and 1 will be 3, 2x 3 minus 2x. Okay, calculate it simply. X cube is alone here, so x cube 3 into 2 will become 6x square plus 3 into 4, because 2 square is 4, 4 into 3 12x plus 2 cube will 8, and right hand side will be same. Now x cube is alone, 6x square is alone, 12x is alone, 8 constant is also alone, and cross the border line. It means 2x cube minus will plus here 2x, and x cube is x cube, 6x cube and minus 2x cube. Here is also x cube, so it will minus x cube. X square, nothing with x, nothing will be adding, so simply write it here. 6x square, 12 and 2x will become 14x, because both are plus, and plus 8 is alone here, so plus 8 is equal to 0. This is not the maximum power, is not 2, here is 2, but the maximum is also 3 here, so we can say that the maximum power of x is not 2, is not 2, or this is not in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Hence no, this is not quadratic equation. Okay, we can write simply here no. That's it. Again, question number 8. What is 8 telling us? 8 is telling us x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 to the whole cube. Simplify it. There is no calculation in left hand side. Okay, right hand side apply a minus b to the whole cube. What is the formula? A cube plus 3a square b minus 3ab square plus b cube. Okay, here is the formula. A cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube, means first plus second minus first plus second minus, like this, and a cube b cube 3a square b plus 3ab square, like this. Apply here. A cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Okay, so here is no any change. X square minus 4x square minus x plus 1. Here is x cube minus 6x square plus 2 4 3s are 12x minus 8, because 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8. If you want, I will write it here like this. 4 into 2 is equal to 8 here. Now here is no any change. Cross the border line. What will be the resultant? Minus x cube plus 6x square minus 12x minus 8 will be plus. Sign will be changed if you cross the border line, or equal sign if you cross the equal sign. X cube cancel it out. Minus 4x square plus 6x square will be 2x square. Okay, minus x and minus 12 will be minus 13, plus 1 plus 8 will be 9. Here is it satisfies the ax square plus bx plus c. Plus minus doesn't matter, should be satisfied. Okay, so we can say that yes. Here is the question number 2 of exercise 4.1. Question is telling us represent the following situation in the form of quadratic equation. We need to construct a quadratic equation by following the words. This is the word problem, and we need to solve it in equation form only. So what will be the solution here? First, it is asking the area of a rectangular plot is 5 to 8 meter square. How we can solve it? First, we need to make a rectangular plot, and here is telling us the length of the plot is one more than twice its breadth. First, we find breadth. Suppose if the width is 10, then what will be the one more than twice of width? One more than twice is 2 into 10, and one more means plus 1 is equal to 20, means 20 plus 1 is 21. Same as here is not given 10. Okay, so suppose width is x and length will become one more than its twice, like that. And again question is telling the area of the rectangular plot is 5 to 8, and we know that the area of a rectangular plot is length into width. So let width of plot is x, so length will become 2 times and one more. Okay, and area is given. Chunki area of a rectangle is what? Length into width. Here area is length is 2x plus 1 and width is x, and already given area is 5 to 8, because this is also area and this is also area. Okay, simplify it. 2x plus 1 into x means 2x square plus x is equal to 5 to 8. 2x plus 1 into x is equal to 5 to 8. What will be the resultant? Resultant will be 2x square plus x, and if it cross the border line, it will become minus sign. Here is 5 to 8 with minus sign. So this is our final answer. This is the quadratic equation. We can say that hence this is quadratic equation. Answer. Question number 2. Here is the second question. The product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. We need to find the integer. Product of two integer. Integer means simply 0, 1, 2, 3 and minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, like that. In x plus 1, x plus 2, and minus x, minus 1, minus x, minus 2, like that. But we need to take the two positive integer, means 1 and 1 continuously, not this and not this. Why? Because here is telling us consecutive means continuously, so we can take 1, 2, not 1 and 3, 1, 2. So we will take x into x plus 1. So first we take, let first integer is x and second integer is 2x plus 1. Okay, So according to the question, product of two, product means multiplication of these two numbers, is what? 306. Okay, because 306 is given in the question, and simplify it. So what will be the resultant? Resultant will be 2x square plus x, and if it cross the borderline with 306, so it will become minus 306. So this is the quadratic equation. This is equation. We can write quadratic or not. And again question number third, here I will write it. Here is the question number third of second. What is the question? Question is asking Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages in years, 3 years from now will be 360. We would like to find the Rohan's present age. How we will find it? Let's check. What is telling in first line? Rohan's mother is 26 years older than Rohan. What is the Rohan age? Let's suppose Rohan's present age. Present means now, today. Rohan's present age is X. Okay, so his mother is 26 years older than X, means X plus 6, X plus 26, sorry. His mother's present age, what will? 26 more than Rohan. Rohan, suppose you are 10 years now, then after 26 years what will be your age? Your age will be 36. So it will simply added here, present age. Now the product of their ages 3 years from now, means 3 years later. After 3 years, in second line, after 3 years, write it simply, after 3 years, Rohan age will become X plus 3 and his mother will become X plus 26 plus 3. Okay, suppose you are 3 years of today, your age is 3 years today, and so after 3 years what will be your age? Your age will be 6. Simply add. Okay, so after 3 years, present age is X, so after 3 years 3 is added, and before 3 years if telling, so it will minus 3, but here is after, so plus 3. And same as with his mother present age is X plus 2x, and after 3 years, so it will add in simply here. And now according to the question, product of both, simply 3 years later, product will be 360. Product is 360 given in the question. Okay, now simplify it. Simply x plus 3 into x plus 29 is equal to 360. X multiplied by x, it x square plus 29x plus 3x plus 3 9s are 27, 7 carry 2, 3 2s are 6, carry 2 means 87, minus 360 is equal to 0. Okay, here is x square 93 32 x, and it will be minus because minus 360 is more than 87, but it is with minus sign, so it will be minus here, and simply subtract 87 from it, so 0 is not able to subtract 7, so carry 1, so it will become 10. 10 minus 7 means 3. Here is 5, because 1 borrowed to 0, so 5 minus 8 not possible, so borrow 1 from 3, so it will become 15. 15 minus 8 means 7. Here is 2. Okay, this is our equation of quadratic. Now moving to the next question. Here we don't need to find the value of x, because Rohan's present in we need to find, but in simple. But first we check the question. Question is telling about represent the following in the form of quadratic equation. Here is not telling to find the value of quadratic equation, only represent the equation in the form of quadratic equation. Question is telling like that. Now moving to the next question.